So in this problem, we're told that the total amount that Mary paid for a book was its price plus sales tax that was 4% of the price. So if the price was P, she's P dollars, she is paying P plus 0.04 times P, or 1.04 P, or 104% of the price. And she paid it with a $10 bill, and she received the correct change, which was less than $3. And the question is asking which of the following statements must be true. So A says, and I have to examine each one of these, that the price of the book was less than $9.50. So I'm going to try to establish the range of values of P. So I know that the change, which is the difference between the amount of money she handed to the cashier minus the price of the book, this is the change, which has to be less than $3. So that gives me one inequality or constraint on P. This is 10 minus 3 is less than 1.04 P, which is same as 1.04 P is greater than 7, or P is greater than 7 over 1.04. I'm going to use the calculator for this. This is turns out to be P is greater than 6.73. So I know that the price has to be greater than 6.73. And I also know that because she handed $10, the book could be priced for $10. So it has to be less than, actually, no, it can't be 10 because she has to pay 4% tax. So I know that P plus 0.04 P has to be less than $10, because the total price has to be less than $10. So this becomes 1.04 P is less than 10, or P is less than 10 over 1.04. And I'm going to again compute this. 10 divided by 1.04, which is 9.61. So the price of the book has to fall between these two values. A says price has to be less than $9.50. Well, it doesn't. It could be $9.55, $9.60. So A is out. B says the price of the book was greater than $6.90. Well, no, it could be $6.75, $6.80. So B is out as well. And the third choice is that the sales tax was less than 45 cents. So if I know that the price has to be less than $9.61, the sales tax, the upper limit would be 4% of that amount, and I'm just going to find 4% of that, which is 38 cents. So I know that the sales tax has to be less than 38 cents, and C says sales tax has to be less than 45, and so C is true, and the correct answer is C only.